Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video as a daily update. And today, right now, is Sunday. Market just got open, 5 or 6 p.m. we can say Eastern time, and the date today is October 5th. Right now, the biggest news going on right now, the newest development is this news here. Takaichi's, whatever the name is, right? It's a Japanese name, so I don't know how to pronounce it. So I think it's Takaichi, leadership of this party. I think that's a Democratic Party, right? Yeah, she win the election and become the leader of this party. And most likely she is going to be the prime minister as well soon, right? So this is the biggest development, and because of that, yen got weaker big time over the weekend, yesterday, and then right now today market opened with yen getting weaker a lot. Right, so let me show you that my take. If you look at the weekly, yen index chart, right? I had this chart made for, let's say, this one, right? So I was expecting, based on the Elliott wave, that this could be wave one, two, three, and then four, very clear wave four. And wave five usually go to 127 or 161 to the upside, right? And I was expecting that five probably going to be ending here or here. Um, but what happened is that before the weekend, yen right from here it dropped to this TL, and then it was sitting there. So I was expecting maybe now this could be a truncated wave five, and not even truncated because the wave five it went up a little bit above the wave three, right? So it could be a wave five here, very well. So what happened is that it went down, hit the TL, and it was sitting there when this news came out, and then boom, it went up again to this high. So let's take a look at the current chart. Is this? So right now, the current chart of this yen index 33-minute chart, you can see here that from here, when I was expecting that this thing would go up, instead of going to the upside, it went down and hit the TL. It was sitting here, and today, boom, it went up, right? And because of this news, we can say here the daily chart looks like this. One, two, three, four, and this wave five. I was expecting that, it will go up here somewhere, and it can. Let's see, weekly chart. This is the one I made on the 27th, that either from here or it may go up. Here means 61%, and then it's going to drop, or it's going to go up to 78 and then drop. So from here, it went down a little bit from 61. You can see here that this candle was the last week candle, and then now we open here again, exactly just above this 61%, and most likely it's gonna go up. To be honest with you, most likely it's gonna go up. I think that's gonna go up. The highest number that we have to watch is 72.20 and 72.24, this low here. Right. So slowly but surely we are going to go up here, 72.24. Right now we are at this number exactly. So what happened is that when yen start to go up, right, on a smaller time frame, if you look at it, 20-minute chart now is powerfully moving to the upside, right? And this was my wave card, one, two, three, four, and wave five, but got messed up, right? So now it came down, and I says, okay, this could be wave one or A, two or B, and then we will go down for C. It will flip to the downside, but nope. This is what happened, right? But this high is the key right now. We went up. We are dealing with this high right now, and things are very uncertain, right? So be very, very careful, right? I had few yen pairs open, and from yesterday, I mean from Friday, last Friday, and they went up big time. But boom, it's like 200 pip on pound yen, euro yen, also 200. But all yen pair went up, except USD yen didn't give me the entry, but all other yen pairs, they all gave me the entry, sent me a chart, and then it went up. So I just wanted to share with you guys that this is the newest development, and be very careful. Before that was the U.S. government shutdown. We're still dealing with that, and for that matter, let's take a look at little bit of US dollar index, and I was all along expecting a little bit of a strength, while everybody else saying that no, the dollar is going to get weaker even more. Now, let's see what happens. So this is what dollar index looks like right now, right? So it dropped a little bit, but here. I mean, this is a big, huge drop, right? So we try to go up and then it start to drop here, but couldn't take out this low here. Then again going to the upside. So this is my Elliott wave count, right? This could be wave one or A here, and then it can go to the upside. But now with this development in Japan, I don't know. Let's take a look. This is the daily chart. A, B, C. This is A, and then A, B, C, B, right? Just almost the same or a little bit above, right? Staying above this low, almost make it a double bottom, right? And then start to go up. Now we open up a little bit with the gap, a little bit to the upside, right? The market, let me show on the 5-minute chart, you can see the gap very easily. Okay, no, the other way, bro. Okay, I kind of like forgot how. Right here, see that? So this is a 5-minute chart showing you that it ended the week last week here, and then we just got open here. So let's see how the things will develop in their future, today, tomorrow. Right, so be very careful. Both pairs, I mean, both currencies and maybe others, but I'm still looking into others that how others are reacting. But this is what happened to US dollar index. It's probably going to get strong, and yen is getting weaker. Yen, to me, 95% chance that it's still going to get more weaker and will go to the upside. And like I said, that where the heck it go? Oh, all right, so this one, right? So you see, this is it gapped up a little bit, and remember the yen index going to the upside means yen is getting weaker, while the US dollar index going to the upside means it's getting strong. So both are going in the opposite direction, and USD yen will fly for that matter, right? So this is what happened. I made this chart that is going to bounce from here to go to the upside, but it dropped first. But now again, we are back here. So this could be like A, B, and then C, not going below this. See, wave four, I said this is wave four, right? But could be like A, B, C, A, then A, B, and C, that's B. And then C is here. You can say this like this, okay? Now, if that's the case, and C staying above A, it is a running flat. We call it a running flat. It's a perfect, formation of a flat correction. So if we take this length here, let's see something. If that is cooking, make it a ray, and then we take that and place it here or here, and then no, nothing. All right, so TL or channel is not cutting it at all. Now this one, if you see uh, that wave 4 usually, this is, let's say, this is wave 4, wave 2, the end of wave 2, and the end of wave 4 here, right? So I always teaches that wave 4 usually, if you draw a channel, right? For example, if you draw a channel between 1 and 3, let's say this is a high of 3. This is cutting out a little bit, but still okay. But see this one here? So if this is the channel, then wave 4 usually goes outside wave 4 outside the channel. The wave 4 will go outside the channel and then go back inside the channel again and go for wave 5. So this could be looking like this, right? Even if you use this high here, then you can see that we went outside the channel line, definitely. See, we are actually way outside the channel line, but now we are back to the back side of the channel line underneath that, right there. So let's see, this is the key here. This is the key here, this high here, and you can see on the left is 72. 14, and there was another number here, 72.24. Right now we are doing 72.27. So slowly grinding to the upside now, right? The immediate reaction was like we opened the market from here to here, big move to the upside. Now it's still, I see the after effects will come, and we will end up going to go here for wave 5, maybe 78%. So we're bypassing 61%, and actually we are still at 61%, just above it, right? And go. So this classic, this could be very, very nice wave 4 here, I can see. So this could be wave 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what happened. All right. And we saw the USD index, and probably is going to get it strong. So things are very, very shaky right now. Let's see how things will develop. And I'll make another video if I have to tonight, later on, maybe 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., something like that. Right. After seeing, other pairs as well, how they're moving, like Aussie dollar index will probably also react. Let's take a look. Remember, I made these charts, for example, this one, right, on the 1st October, right, that is going to go up after dropping. I said this thing is going to go up. Let's see what happened. This one, euro yen, the euro yen, this is what happened, right? So instead of this, boom, it went up. And similarly, I made the chart, the pound yen, that is going to bounce from here or here or somewhere here, right? And this one went up like, um, you see that? So right from there, boom, went up big time. And also I had this chart here, USD yen, right? That's gonna bounce from the 78% and go to 48.64. Watch what happened here on this one. Bounce exactly from 78%, just above that, and went straight to. In fact, my take was that it's going to go up to 48.64, but right now, as I speak, we are at 49.40, right? So they all went up. Let's see if they go up even more, just like that, or gonna retrace and then go to the upside. But 95% chance that these pairs will go up because yen is going to get weaker even more. All right, so let's wait and see, but be careful. And all other pairs, your Aussie pair and pound USD, euro USD. Let's take a look quickly. So this was my take that is going to go to the upside as USD getting weaker. But right now, we see that USD may get strong, and a little bit of that reaction coming here as a down move a little bit here. Euro USD also got stuck here instead of going to the upside. So USD may hold and then get strong a little bit. Let's see what happens. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later soon.